Hey, welcome back to Trader Tech Man. Today I'll be unboxing the stick-up cam battery. This could be for indoor or outdoor, and I also got a solar panel that I'm going to be opening, just showing you how to set it up. I'm not going to really install it to my house yet, but I just wanted to show opening. Alright, let's go ahead and pop it open. Let me know in the comments what cameras do you have, or what's the brand that you have. I always find it interesting to find out different brands. Alright, so in here first, you got your orange cord for charging up your battery. You got your ring sticker like always. Let's see. Inside here you have your screws, your security screws, your mounting screws, and you also have your anchors in there. Alright, nothing else in there. A couple books. Put that to the side. Let's go ahead and open it up, see what it looks like. Alright. Nice little box. Not too bad. Pull this down. Take this plastic off. Make sure y'all like and subscribe for more content just like this, and let me know what devices you're thinking about getting. I always say, let me waste my money, not yours. Alright, let's pull this lens sticker off. Alright, from first impressions, it don't look bad. Looks nice, sleek. Look like you had somewhere that's black, you could really hide this. Just because even the camera part don't show no white part. Alright, so let's go ahead and twist this right here. Got an unlock button and a lock. Let's go ahead and open that up. Inside here, you got your orange sticker for the battery. Pull that out. Push it in. If you want to take it out, you just press it down. Not too bad. Inside here is your sticker for setting it up. I'm gonna go ahead and set it up on my phone while I'm unboxing everything else. It don't really take long. All you do is go to the Alexa app. We got power. You just go to the Ring app, and then you go to add device and set up device, security cams, and then you just use your scanner to get the back, and then it will set up everything. It'll give you where your address. This one is going to be an outdoor camera. I don't plan on using it inside, so I just put random stuff, whatever you want to put on there, and it's all set up. Just keep hitting continue. It's going to connect to your Wi-Fi. It's connecting right now. It's looking for the Ring Wi-Fi. First, it puts your phone on Ring network, and then it switches back to your own network that you have.
Now connected to the Ring app.
And now it's connected. Then you just switch back up to your own network and connect to device. It should take about
connecting to Wi-Fi. Just a moment.
A couple of minutes to connect to Wi-Fi, and then by the time it does its updating, it could be like 15 minutes.
Setup successful.
Alright, so we got that set up. Let me show you this part right here. They got a screw right here. The screw right here allows you to take this part off. You have your weather prongs right here, so you can switch it to the other one if you want to make your camera hang out in the back, or if you wanted to hang up from the top like that. Basically, either way you pick, it's up to you. I'm gonna put this back like this for now. And then you want to make sure that it's pointing up and it lines up perfectly. There we go. Screw this back in. Alright, so we got the camera right here. Let's go ahead and open up this. Alright. I had this solar panel like this a while back. But now that I just think it's time to go ahead and put them back up. Getting tired of charging the batteries. Alright. Move this to the side. Always home. Oh, this looks nice. Nice solar panel, decent long cord. The plug to the back of here, if you push the one on the top, you'll see the part where you plug it up. And then it goes right in the back like this. And then you plug it right up into your solar panel, and then you go ahead and be good. Also, inside here, let me move the camera out the way. Got you a book. Let me get the blue one out. And here's mainly your tools. All different tools. Put this out. Oh, this is a little hard to get out. Let me put. There you go. This right here will basically connect to the back of this. And it like slides right in. So far it don't look so bad. I like it. We're gonna test it out later on. If you have any questions about it, let me know in the comments below and we'll work together to find out the answer. They got a screw right here where you could like tilt it, the solar panels, just so it could reach the sun a little better. Let's see, I think that's about it that we have inside of here. Don't seem too bad. I'm gonna go ahead and finish setting up this camera. Until next time, thank y'all so much for watching. Plan on having way more content just like this in the future. Thank y'all.